Bye. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, it's going to be smoking. Look, it's going to be swearing. Look, you've been warned. So look. Here I come in 3, 2, 1. Bang. Welcome, everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show in the multiverse. Fine, greatest show in the daggone multiverse. And we have a great show for you today. Daggone right. All right, I hope everyone's enjoying their weekend. Oh, yeah. All right, so today we got some nice stuff. Got some onboardings. Some bankster business. All right, let's go. Here come the banksters, right? Ever since the OCC did that last year. Oh, yeah, we're just talking all manner of bankster talk around these parts. So look.
Daggone around these parts. Looky here, boy. The banks are coming. Around these parts, we've been waiting for them.
All right, let's get to the stories, though. So, Software AG is going to use IOTA. I told you. Yeah, IOTA is going to be the standard. Well, a standard. All right, and then there's a big airdrop coming. Yes, I'm not going to tell you which coin, so you better stick around for that story. But I know a lot of you own this coin. No, it's not VeChain. As I know.
You must be talking about VeChain.
Not VeChain, but there's another one. A lot of you own it. And they're going to do an airdrop, so stick around for that. And then we're going to talk about Ethereum and institutional inflows. They were mega. Ethereum's institutional inflows were mega last week. And so we're going to talk about that. And then, now let's get to some bankster talk. Deutsche Bank gets into crypto. Custody and trading, they said they want to offer. So let's check that out. And then this is more of a rumor. Morgan Stanley is considering. So they're considering. They haven't said yes or no yet. Let's get real. Crypto. They're considering crypto. Okay. And then we do the usual shout outs and the daily summary. So let's proceed how we proceed with a bankers. Let's head on over and check out the prices, see what's going down around these parts. Oops. See what's going down. Let's even do a little refresh just for fun. Just a little refresh for fun. All right. Price of Bitcoin, $47,292. And when I left you yesterday, we were at $47,424. So we've gone down $132. All right. Basically, it hasn't moved. Whenever Bitcoin, when it moves less than $500, it's like, wow, it's almost like it didn't even move anywhere. You know what I mean? It's so volatile. All right. Top 10 of the day, brothers and sisters. Usual suspects. Top 10. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether. Oh, XRP took back the number 4 from Cardano. All right. Top 10 of the day. Bitcoin, usual suspects. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, XRP, Cardano, Polkadot, Binance Coin, Litecoin, Chainlink, and Stellar. All right. Let's look at the total market moves of the day. Well, not total market moves of the day, but market moves of the day. Single digits up, single digits down. All right, single digits up, single digits down. Litecoin, holy man, stuff is blazing. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. All right, VeChain, just stay above 5 cents now, dog. Making a good run here. Single digits up, single digits down. Neo, look at you. Single digits up, single digits down. Bang, what's that? Dash again? Holy. Single digits up, single digits down. 2. Single digits up, 2. Single digits down. All right, let's see who lost money today. Whoa, hold on. All right, let's see who lost money today. You see anything on here you like, go get it because it is on sale. See, we're working with. Bah! All right. Oh, Polygon. That's really Matic, but they changed their name to Polygon the other day. Well, I think yesterday, actually. Anyway, look. Top 10 losers. Avalanche, Polygon, Cosmos, Aave, UMA, Elrond, VeChain, Terrace, and Solana. Let's see who made money today, y'all. Bang. Top 10 gainers. Dash, Ethereum Classic, Lisk, OMG Network, Zilliqa, Zcash, Horizon, Monero, and Ontology. All right, now, you know, it's Saturday, so we do our let's see who lost the most money this week. Holy, there weren't many losses this week. Obviously, as you can see from the gains in your portfolios. All right, well, top 10 losers. UMA, Terra USD, HUSD, Tether, Day, Paxos Standard, USD Coin, Binance USD, and, oh, well, that Tesla thing is a joke. Hold on. And, whoops, sorry. Oh, Maker. All right. Let's see who the top 10 gainers this week were. Bah! Holy, now these are some fucking gains. That's the gains, baby. Them's be some gains and them their hills. All right. Top 10 gainers, The Graph, BitTorrent, Avalanche, IOTA, PancakeSwap, Dash, Terra, Polygon, otherwise known as Matic, Lisk, and Algorand. Yes. All under 100. All under. So if you own any of those, you doubled up, at least doubled up this week. At least doubled up this week.
Oh, yeah.
It's the beauty of the crypto market. This place is the Wild West. Fucking doubling up in 1 week. It's insanity. All right. But that's probably the Elon Musk effect. You know? Like I told you, man. Fucking nice suburbanites with disposable income coming up in this space now. Doing their homework and placing their bets. All right. Let's see what the total market cap is. Still over $1 trillion. All right. 1.469 trillion. There's our market cap today. And when I left yesterday, we were at 1.475. So we've gone down 0.006 trillion dollars. $0.006 trillion. But all right, let's look at the 24-hour volume. All right. $206.6 billion is our 24-hour volume. And when I left yesterday, we were at $198.5 trillion, billion dollars in 24-hour volume. So we've gone up. What was that, 16 billion bucks? Wait. Yeah, $16 billion. No. $8 billion. $8 billion. All right, sorry. All right. Great. All right, let's check out the stories. All right, we got a long road. We got a bunch of stories to cover today. So we're not going to read every single word of every single one, right? Once you get the gist of it, we're going to move on. Because there's 5 stories. All right. So we're going to get the gist. All right. Bang! Software AG plans to use IOTA for 5 specific use cases. So, yeah, they're going to integrate IOTA right into their products. So, like I told you, a lot of these companies now, Microsoft, Fujitsu, we read a whole bunch of them. What's that one? The chip makers in Europe. Yeah, they're integrating the Tangle right into their this is a software company, but the other companies we read about were IoT devices, right? You know, they want to do, IOTA's going to do this, is doing this Internet of Things stuff, Smart City Internet of Things stuff, machine to machine, this and this. And so, yeah, they've already been integrated into the hardware of a lot of companies. SM Micro was one of them. And so here's a software company doing it. Like I said, what a lot of these companies are trying to do, they're trying to get IOTA to be the tangle of IOTA to be an ISO standard. So, that's an international standard. So an international standard would be like Bluetooth, right? Bluetooth in your phone. Yeah, you can go anywhere in the world. Everyone's phone has Bluetooth, whether you're in Africa, whether you're in South America, the Middle East, Asia, Russia, Europe, whatever. Bluetooth is Bluetooth, right? It's a standard. Universal serial bus, USB ports. Those are standard everywhere in the world. They're standard. And that's what they want to make IOTA. They want to make it a standard, I guess, for IoT devices and stuff like that. And so, what's cool about it is, I guess they've already gone to do their application for it. Well, not them. It's these companies that are trying to do it for them. And, yeah, so amazing. All right, let me get a sip and then we'll check it out. Yeah. Well, I don't know if it's software. Actually, I didn't read this story yet. The name of the company is Software AG, so I'm just assuming it's software, but you never know. These companies have one name and then they do a whole other thing. All right, let's check it out. So, as you can see the little warning here, this story is actually from February 11th. Oh, wait. Oh, 2020. Oh, so this isn't new news. What? Oh, we're not going to read this. This is old shit. Oh, we probably already read this then, obviously, back then. If this came out back then, I read this to you guys. Anyways, it's going to be in a whole bunch of... Oh, well, now I'm all tempted. Now I want to see what the fuck. All right, we're going to just breeze through it. We're just going to breeze through it. I noticed that it said this, but February 11th, I thought, I didn't see the 2020 part, all right? I wouldn't have even brought this up. All right, hold on. We did read this. I remember reading this to you guys. Shit. Yeah, we read this already. Machine-to-machine economy. All right. So, the CEO of this company, he's like, bang, 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 3 reasons why IOTA will elevate the blockchain. And so Software AG is going to put them in their Internet of Things platform called Cumulosity, by using the Tangle. The company plans to leverage 5 specific use cases for developing machine-to-machine economy. So that's why IOTA is, these blockchains, right? They all have a problem with scalability. Yeah, IOTA doesn't have that problem. Yeah, IOTA is infinitely scalable. Yeah, you could grow it as much as you want because the machines do shit on it, right? They handle some of the load, and plus the machines are just talking kind of to each other as well, right? Yeah. So it's infinitely scalable. Identity verification, data provenance, integrity, security, and micropayments. All right, that's good enough. So, all right. We read this already. I'm not going to bore you guys reading it again. Well, let's just read this little piece here. This is interesting. By extending our web methods integration offerings with suitable IOTA capabilities, we intend to bridge the on-Tangle world with the off-Tangle world. So, sort of like how Chainlink gets off-chain data on-chain. They're going to do that with the Tangle. E.g., typical applications like ERP and CRM. This allows the seamless execution of end-to-end business processes in minimum trust environment. All right, so that's enough. So machine to machine, you guys know. And, IOTA the Tangle is way, better than blockchains. It's infinitely scalable. It's quantum proof already, so you can't hack it. All right, let's move on. that's a bunch of bullshit. All right. So, meaning this is already, well, okay, let's look at it this way. This article was from last year, meaning, all right, they've already launched this thing. All right. Let's move on. Okay, so I told you that there's going to be an airdrop. Ready? Bang! Zilliqa announces 30-day airdrop for Zilliqa Stakers. Now, I know a bunch of you guys own this Zilliqa. So Zilliqa hodlers who stake their tokens will get the chance to earn more of them for 1 month, is what the byline says. All right, Zilliqa hodlers. I know there's a bunch of them in the chat room, so I'm assuming there's more of you out there as well. All right, so let's see what you can expect, Zilliqa hodlers. All right. Scalable high-throughput blockchain Zilliqa has announced an airdrop for hodlers of a Zilliqa token who stake them on the platform. But so Zilliqa hodlers, get your stake on. Oh, yeah, get your stake on. So the campaign dubbed Zilliqracy will start from the 15th of February. Oh, in a couple days. Oh, so you best get staking, Zilliqa hodlers. We'll start, because today's the 13th of February, 6:21 in the p.m. Eastern Standard Time, North America. All right. The campaign dubbed Zilliqracy will start from the 15th of February and run until March 16th, 2021. The announcement added that a daily lottery of 1,000 Zilliqa will be airdropped to a random address staking on the platform. It added that in addition to the 1,000 Zilliqa daily offer, it will also offer a 2,500 Zilliqa airdrop every week during the event. This means a total of 45,000 tokens will be distributed, worth an estimated $5,000 at current prices. And here's the Stakeocracy, or what is it called? Stakeocracy. Zilliqracy. So, if you are the lucky one, you are going to get the airdrop. So the battle to entice crypto stakers is heating up. Just last week, the Injective protocol launched its Equinox staking incentive, and new offers are constantly emerging in the rapidly evolving DeFi sector. All right, look. Okay, so let's read this part, though. The top crypto assets by staked value is currently Cardano, which has around 20 billion staked and offers 4.27 returns, according to stakingrewards.com. After that is Polkadot, then Avalanche, and then Zilliqa. All right, so there you go, guys. Get your Zilliqa on, get your staking, do your staking, and hopefully you can be rewarded with bang, some Zilliqa. All right, let's move on. Bang, Ethereum represented 80% of last week's institutional crypto inflows. So so the byline says institutions were aggressively accumulating Ethereum in the lead up to the launch of the CME futures. That's the Chicago Mercantile Exchange futures, with Ether products representing 80% of last week's institutional crypto inflows.
Oh, yeah.
Here comes Ethereum. So, crypto asset manager CoinShares has reported that investment inflows into institutional cryptocurrency funds surged last week, and the majority of it was Ethereum. The report states that of the 245 million crypto inflow last week, 80% of it, or 195 million, was invested into Ethereum products ahead of the launch of the Chicago Mercantile Exchange Ethereum futures contracts on February 8th. But comparatively, Bitcoin had 41 million of the weekly flows, with a year-to-date total of 2.02 billion. Now, the report suggested that investor diversification was starting to occur. Yes, just don't put all your eggs in one basket, not just all Bitcoin. Grab some of that daggone Ethereum. It's regulated here and licensed here. Good to go. Adding that there was little evidence of taking profits, with investors preferring to buy and hodl. Exactly, they're buying and hodling. We believe investors are looking to diversify and are growing increasingly comfortable with Ethereum fundamentals. Bitcoin had its lowest inflows, 42 million, since the all-time highs were achieved in the week ending 8th of January 2021. So total inflows into digital asset investment products for 2021 so far now total 2.6 billion, equating to 39% of the 6.7 billion institutional capital that was invested in crypto funds during 2020 in just 6 weeks. Wait, what? Equating to 39% of the 6 in the 2020 in just 6 weeks. Anyway, that's a stupid little piece of data right there. The report stated that investment product trading volumes remain high, averaging $670 million per day last week, representing 5.4% of total Bitcoin trading volumes. Grayscale remains the largest institutional crypto asset fund with a record 33.4 billion in assets under management. Oh yeah, that's for now. Grayscale's the biggest now. Wait till I read the shit that I'm about to read you. Grayscale's Ethereum Trust has been growing in terms of total shares of the assets under management figure and has now reached over 5 billion, which equates to over 15% of Ethereum. The Bitcoin Trust still contains the lion's share of all investments, however, with 82% of the total. All right, that's enough. So look, Ethereum hodlers. Holy, this show's going pretty quick too, like yesterday. Ethereum hodlers. So last week, 80% of the institutional crypto inflows were to Ethereum. And that's due to the CME futures contracts that are coming out. Well, that came out a couple days ago, right? What did it say? On the 11th, right? Oh, on the 8th. So, CME is the Chicago. Oh, there it is. Says right there. Chicago Mercantile Exchange. They handle derivatives contracts here in America. That's like a NASDAQ of derivatives here in America. So regulated, licensed. So in other words, institutions can actually come and buy this stuff, and use it and manipulate it and play with it. Well, not manipulate it. That's not the way to say it. Sorry. But just come and buy and sell it as they wish. So there you go. Ethereum hodlers. Good news. Good news. All right, let's move on. Bang. Deutsche Bank to offer cryptocurrency custody and trading. So here we go. All right, here come the mega banks now. What did we read about yesterday? Wait, that wasn't yesterday. Hold on. Did I read it to you? Hold on. Oh, yeah. That was the other day. BNY Mellon to offer Bitcoin crypto services. BNY Mellon, the oldest bank in America, the largest custodian in the world. And here comes Deutsche Bank throwing their hat into the ring.
Oh, yeah.
Sitting down at the table, putting their chips up. Get ready to rock and roll. So, all right, well, it's Deutsche Bank, mega bank. So, I'm sure you're all familiar. Let me get a sip and we shall proceed. Good stuff. Let's check it out. One of Europe's largest banks is working on a digital asset custody and trading platform. Bah! Exactly. So where do you think soccer mom and dad are going to custody and trade their stuff in Europe? Oh, fucking Deutsche Bank, dog. Easy. All right. And not only that, but all right, let's just read on a little. Yes. Just waiting for this fuel to kick in because there's some yap about this one. Deutsche Bank announced that it projects the sector will surge to $24 trillion in the near future. That's what they think the crypto sector is going to go to. I think 24 trillion is a bit much. I mean, you guys know I'm a Forex trader. We trade $5.6 trillion a day. But anything's possible. Anything's possible. So they believe it's going to be 24 trillion in the near future, making custody solutions a critical service. Well, custody is critical no matter what. It is already developing the platform, which it intends to launch in 4 stages. All right, so they got 4 stages they're going to do this thing in. Let's check it out. Oh, now we're going to get into some yap. These other stories were a little lame. So look, cryptocurrency is going mainstream. The German bank made the revelation in a December report by the World Economic Forum. Hidden deep inside the 38-page report, the announcement didn't get much attention at the time. Cryptocurrency news outlet CoinDesk unearthed it recently, revealing that Deutsche Bank was into cryptocurrencies before companies like Tesla got in. Exactly. Oh, and that's the trick. Okay, so I should explain that. So, blah, blah, blah. They go to World Economic Forum, WEF, and so they had a report. And so, I mean, it says it right here, but let me just explain it to you. This report came out in December last year, right? Wow, so just a few months ago. But nobody noticed the cryptocurrency part of it until just the other day. I don't know what the fuck they were reading, but they finally looked at it and were like, oh, crypto, daggone. Okay, so that's what happened, and that's why the whole big thing, this week was Deutsche Bank, right? All right. Because no one saw that they wrote in it. They're like, yeah, we're going to do crypto stuff. All right, but I don't know, people just didn't read the report or something. Currently, tokenized versions of traditional assets account for only $5 billion, the report outlines. Over the next decade, this market could grow to $24 trillion, the bank projects. So, tokenized versions of traditional assets. So, you're like a tokenized versions of a Microsoft share, tokenized version of a gold, a brick of gold, tokenized versions of, I'm not sure if they're allowed to do this, but a U.S. bond. I'm not sure about the bond thing, but so that's why they're saying 24 trillion. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, you're going to tokenize regular stuff, yeah. So this will make digital asset custody solutions one of the most rapidly sought after services. Deutsche Bank aims to develop a fully integrated custody platform for institutional clients and their digital assets, providing seamless connectivity to the broader cryptocurrency ecosystem. Yeah. So the bank, which is the largest in Germany, and Germany being the largest economy in Europe, nice, intends to introduce a securely connected bridge between digital assets and the traditional banking services. It will allow users to manage their digital assets and fiat holdings on one platform. All right, so banks, hedge fund guys and all that, they can manage it all on one platform. So I guess, it'll be like your hedge fund, you open your account with these guys, and there will be your money, and then there will be your crypto. Well, obviously, it says on one platform. I'm trying to think of an example of that, but like in America, so I could say it, but there isn't really one like that. So it plans on ensuring the safety of the digital assets through an institutional-grade storage solution. Bah! Of course, it's institutional grade. It's Deutsche Bank. Deutsche Bank will launch the digital asset custody platform in 4 stages. In the first, it will provide custody for vetted digital assets for institutional investors. These include family offices, asset managers, digital funds, and corporate funds. So these are the institutions they're hitting, all of them. In the second phase, oh, I see. So they're only going to, so at the beginning stage, it's only custody. So they're only going to provide custody at the very first stage. In the second phase, it will allow clients to buy and sell them. So now they'll be able to buy, at the second phase, they'll be offering the buying and selling of said assets. For this, the bank will partner with prime brokers and vetted exchanges. The third stage will seek the bank offer value-added services such as taxation, staking, and voting, lending, and fund administration. So first, it's just going to be, custodying the crypto. Then they're going to allow you to buy and sell the crypto. Then they're going to start offering tax services. They're going to allow you to stake the crypto, voting, lending, and fund administration. And it will also provide an open banking platform to allow the onboarding of third-party service providers. Lastly, it will offer issuance of trading capabilities. So then they'll actually going to allow you to start doing full trades with it. All right, so that's their little rollout. Banking on Bitcoin. As the report revealed, Deutsche intends on making the platform a one-stop shop for all its clients' digital asset needs. Bang! Institutional clients. So big hedge funds, family offices. Well, let's set it right here. Let's name them. Let's name the usual band of miscreants. Family offices, asset managers. Remember I told you about those asset managers? Bring you to the kill zone.
Oh, yeah.
Digital funds and corporate funds. Corporate funds, right? So like Elon Musk, right? He just bought up $1.5 billion. Well, corporations in Europe will now be able to buy their crypto and keep it right in Deutsche Bank. Buy! Yes. I wonder, where does Elon Musk keep that? Where's he custodying his crypto at? Not just on a Ledger Nano, is he? All right, we'll see. I'm sure we'll hear about it soon. So a one-stop shop, baby, for all their high net, all these guys right here, all the usual band of miscreants. As the report revealed, Deutsche intends on making the platform a one-stop shop for all its clients' digital asset needs. It stated, the platform will be embedded with a full suite of regulated banking services. Regulated banking services. So if you're a hedge fund, you just sign up for an account with these guys and you could do what you want. It is regulated. But you can put your client's money in and have at it. Hold on, let me get a sip. This is what we're talking about. So, in Europe, the Germans, they said, remember we read last year, right? Germany said, all right, we're going to allow our banks to custody, but the banks had to apply to be custodians. So I'm assuming, well, I'm not assuming, obviously they did. We'll go through the application process and they were granted approval to do this. And so these are regulated banking services. And that's what we need, regulated banking services, so that these flipping institutions can come get your stuff. Right? They're not allowed to put their clients' money on BitMEX, Bittrex, Coinbase, all that. But a regulated bank like Deutsche Bank, have at it. That's, yeah, now we're talking. Now we're talking, right? In a one-stop shop. So let's check it out. Including KYC, AML, compliance, settlement, and more. Intuitive UX and CX will be crucial. Deutsche Bank will help users to focus on what's important, their investment decisions. This platform will focus on simplifying the customer experience and design implementation as a means of creating a differentiated product. Bang, 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 bang. And let's get real. European soccer moms and dads are going to get to use this thing. Eventually, I'm sure. So, and like they said right here, to simplify it for the customer experience, right? That's what we've been talking about. Soccer mom and dad don't want to put up with the bullshit we put with this garbage that we tolerate. You know what I mean? We put up with KYC and cutting and pasting, getting locked out of your account, this and that, all kind of madness, right? Getting your shit sent off into the, right? You miss one letter in the address when you send it, and bang, your crypto's sent off into Never Never Land. They're not going to put up with that. But like I said, and like's going to happen here in America too once it's on the E-Trade account. Yeah. And soccer mom and dad just get to press one button. One nice button. Just how much would you like, Mrs. Johnson? Beep, beep, beep. Type in your number. Press enter. Boop. Now that's customer service, and that is going to bring a lot of money into the space. That's going to bring a lot of money into space. They're going to put up with the shit we put up with. And I can't wait to not have to put up with this bullshit anymore either. Waiting for my bank to offer these services so I can just get all my shit off these ledgers and everything and just put them right in my checking account. Or I guess it'll be like a crypto account or something. I don't know. Anyways, The bank has already completed its proof of concept and intends on launching the product this year. Bang! So it's already done the testing, and it's locked, cocked, and ready to rock. It's proof of concept. Intends to launch this year. Deutsche, which is Europe's 8th largest bank with $1.3 trillion in assets under management, has been pro-digital currencies for some time now. In its report last month, the bank projected that digital currencies could be mainstream in the next 2 years. It singled out China's digital yuan and Facebook's Libra. Yes. I used to always say it here. I haven't said it for a while. But, we wouldn't even be near where we are now if it wasn't for Mark Zuckerberg and Xi Jinping. Thank you, Mark Zuckerberg. Thank you, Mark Zuckerberg. Thank you, Mark Zuckerberg. Thank you, Xi Jinping. Thank you, Xi Jinping. Thank you, Xi Jinping. Right? Because once Facebook said, yeah, we're coming up with our own money, look. All the politicians around the world were, look, what the fuck? Right? Yeah, that got their mind tuned in real good. Holy, we got to regulate. What the hell? What's crypto? What's all this? Digital asset, what? Right? That got the ball rolling. And then it was a few months later, Xi Jinping was like, look, bang, we're blockchaining up the whole of China. How you like them apples, fuck sticks? Yeah, all the governments around the world went, no, look. Yeah, now you're at a disadvantage. Right? China's been back there brewing up blockchains. Oh, yeah. Implementing them. And they've already got a plan. They've got the rollout plan. They've got it all. Well, that's a tech. And then let's be serious about it, though. Let's also be serious, though. Well, I am being serious, but let's say it in a serious voice, in a serious tone of voice, so that you understand the seriousness of this. When China blockchains up the whole place, well, they're at a technological advantage, aren't they? If all their systems, their military, their spies, their clandestine agencies and all that are blockchained, well, we can't see what they're doing, right? We can't hack them. Meanwhile, our systems are just open, this legacy shit, right? Where little 14-year-old kids can hack it. So that gives them the advantage, I guess it would be tactical advantage over us, in that they can see what we're doing. We can't see what they're doing. And so when Xi Jinping said, look, we're blockchaining up all of China, yeah, that's why all of a sudden we've, gotten that push. And that's why, we read here last year. I mean, it's going to happen. All right, so let me just say this properly. So last year we read that there's over 24 blockchain and cryptocurrencies, so distributed ledger technology provider related bills here in the U.S. Congress. 24 of them right now. And obviously we got to wait. The impeachment thing that with Trump just ended today, so that's good. So now Congress can get to fucking work. And we should be seeing a rollout of those legislations, soon. Like I said, we have to catch up to China. Not only us, you two there in Europe, you two in England, you two in Canada. If you're in an English all of us, everybody. China's the first. So the rest of us all have to catch up. We all have to just catch up, right? And so, and like I said, it's a national security issue, right? China, how they do. They just go around hacking everybody. I mean, we all hack each other. Let's not be naive about how this world works. We're all hacking everybody. We're all hacking each other. Remember, Obama got caught because he hacked Angela Merkel's phone, right? She's the Chancellor of Germany, and she loved him. She loves Obama. Yeah, and then it came out like, oops, he had her phone hacked. And she loved him. Like, she guided him all around the world stage and introduced him to everybody and everything. She was like his mom. Yeah, she loved him. Well, she still does, I'm sure. I'm sure he just said, look, Angela, the FBI said, or the CIA said, I love you. But yeah, that's the level, right? We're all hacking each other. I mean, let's not be naive about what's going on in the world, but you definitely have to be at least on par with China, just from a safety, just from a national security standpoint. All right. So the yuan would be available. Wait, where are we here? Okay, so we're talking about, the Deutsche Bank said, so they gave some report, and it singled out China's digital yuan and Facebook's Libra as some of the most promising projects. The yuan would be available to 1.5 billion Chinese citizens, while Libra would be available to would be available to 2.5 billion Facebook's users. Yet, if the growth in blockchain wallet users continues to mirror that of internet users, then by the end of the decade, they will number 200 million, quadruple the current level. This will be encouraged by governments, banks, corporates, and payments providers who all stand to benefit from the digitization of payments. The crypto custody race. So in entering exactly, it's a race now. Now that America, our OCC here, so the office of it's called the OCC, the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency. Those are the guys who control our banksters here in America. Okay, it's not the SEC. It's not some weird shit that a lot of people think. It's just a little office called the OCC. And the OCC here, last year, I think end of Q2 last year, they authorized every bank to custody crypto if they want. They said, yeah, you guys want to custody it? Bang, have at it. And so it's a custody race. You know what I mean? If you're like this guy, like if you're Deutsche Bank, well, you want to have these custody things out here, before, German hedge funds and German guys run over to America to get their shit custodied. Remember, you don't have to live in that country to custody. I can have my stuff custodied anywhere in the world, right? And so if America just starts launching custody, well, everyone will just custody with America. So you want someone to custody with you, obviously. And so it's a race to custody race. So in entering the cryptocurrency custody sector, Deutsche Bank joins other global financial giants that have already announced or launched similar projects. The largest bank in Southeast Asia, Singapore's DBS, announced a custody solution a month ago. Spain's second largest bank, BBVA, Netherlands' largest bank, ING, and Swiss Stock Exchange are some of the giants offering cryptocurrency custody. Bah!
Oh, no.
So just 2 days ago, the world's largest custodian, this is what I just dug through those papers about, BNY Mellon announced it would launch a Bitcoin custody service. Bang, the largest custodian in the world. The bank, which has 41 trillion, do you understand? $41 trillion in assets in its custody service. Motherfuck, they're probably custodying shit for whole countries. Like I said, if you're the Saudi Arabia sovereign wealth fund, right? That's a $700 billion wealth fund. I guarantee you that's with BNY Mellon. And like I said, the other thing about these, proper banksters offering custody as well, the insurance on it. The insurance, right? Yeah, these guys are probably insured for, tens, maybe hundreds of billions of dollars in their custody services. Which means, major hedge funds in that, will have no problem, using your services. You can cover whatever they want. So, we'll have the top cryptocurrencies. All right, so there you go. Bang! Major news. Europe online. Well, Europe's been online. We read it right here. Spain's BBVA, Netherlands ING, and we've been reading about SIX, the Swiss Stock Exchange, over and over and over again, right? And so now Deutsche Bank throws its hat into the ring. Like we just read, BNY Mellon, the world's largest, with $41 trillion in assets under custody, has come into the ring. We read that 2 days ago. And so that's the beginning of a market. That's how markets work. You have to have people to hodl this stuff. If you're a big hedge fund and you want, say, $1 billion worth of crypto, you got to hodl it somewhere. You can't hold on some Ledger Nano, right? That's probably illegal. Right? You have to hold it in a registered, licensed custody service. And now those kind of services are available. And so hedge fund boys, family offices, just all the big dogs around the world. Well, let's just read it again. Family offices, asset managers, digital funds, and corporate funds. Bang! No problem now. No problem. You can now have your stuff custodied and held with confidence at reputable financial institutions. Yes. So good stuff. All right. Let's check it out. Bang! Morgan Stanley to consider Bitcoin for $150 billion investment wing. All right, let's check it out. Oh, that's right, because Morgan Stanley owns a piece of some crypto thing already, actually. All right, hold on. Let's look at the picture, and then let me have a sip. Yeah, Morgan Stanley already owns a piece of, I think it's MicroStrategy. I could be wrong. I think that's who it is. Let's see. Let us see. All right, so according to a report from Bloomberg News, you know these boys do their due diligence, so you can trust this story here. According to a report from Bloomberg News this morning, Morgan Stanley is the latest major financial institution to consider an investment in Bitcoin. But, citing people with knowledge of the matter, the report says that Counterpoint Global, a subsidiary of Morgan Stanley Investment Management with $150 billion in assets under management, is exploring whether the cryptocurrency would be a suitable option for its investors. Okay, so it's a subsidiary of Morgan Stanley, this thing called Counterpoint Global. Morgan Stanley's website describes Counterpoint Global as a fund specializing in investments whose market value can increase significantly for underlying fundamental reasons, or decrease significantly. The fund is up 72% on the year. Yeah, well, that's the kind of fund performance you want. Imagine your 401k went up 72%. That's why I'm telling you. Wait till they start offering people crypto in their 401ks. Yeah, that's going to be awesome. That's going to be your mass adoption. That's going to be soccer mom and dad saying, yes, I want this in my 401k. All of it. Bitcoin, Ethereum, all of them. In fact, they'll probably just be distributed ledger technology funds that come out, right? And you'll just have a full 401k with that stuff in it. You know, forget even about the Microsofts and the Uber shares and stuff like that. The traditional market, traditional market stocks. All right, so the fund is up 72.7 on the year, significantly outperforming the MSCI All Country World Net Index returns of 16%. All right. Oh, this is small. So the growing interest in Bitcoin shouldn't necessarily come as a surprise, given that the company has made significant investment in MicroStrategy. It was MicroStrategy, yeah. So they own a chunk. It says right here. In January, Cointelegraph reported Morgan Stanley had purchased a 10% stake in MicroStrategy, whose stock has been on a tear and whose CEO has become a Bitcoin icon since announcing a strategic investment in Bitcoin last year. Morgan Stanley isn't the only major banking institution looking to get involved with cryptocurrencies either. On their Q4 earnings call, both JP Morgan and Visa, and MasterCard actually, reaffirmed plans to maintain crypto payment services, and representative of both companies expressed interest in further development if clients and market conditions demanded. Yes. All right. So, bang. Morgan Stanley is going to come to the crypto space through their subsidiary called Counterpoint Global. Bang. So as you can see, like I said, we've talked about here, we never read bankster stuff on this channel until after the OCC did it. And as you read in the last story, now it's a race for custody. Now that the banksters can custody, and they know that hedge fund guys want this stuff, while they're racing to build their custody services and then obviously advertise to hedge funds, small office, home office, high net worth individuals, asset managers, kill zone guys, all that. And so it's a race. It's a race right now. Everyone's got their IT departments just coding and coding and coding like crazy. And so good stuff for us. All right, let's move on. Bang, what we got here? Sunny Beep, Spy Lady, Love you, lady, see you, lady. Bang. Dino Jankovic. Yes. Love you, see you, brother. Bang. What does he say here? Oh, for sure. Oh, yeah. Yes. Yes, indeed, brother. For sure. I'm going to make this daggone loot. Bang. Love you, Dino. See you, Dino. Bang. Bitcoin Kong. Wow. Yes. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. Look. What's he talking? Okay, look at this. Welcome to the goodie room. Look. Sorry, wife. No marble kitchen just yet. You know how we do around these parts. You tell her, Kong. You got to tell her. Look, sweetie. Johnny. Look, sweetie. Now's not the time. Now go paint your toenails. Bah. Daggone right, Kong. Daggone right. Got to keep them in check. Make sure everything rolls smooth. All right, let's move on. Bah. And bah. There we go. What we got here? Look. Bam. Live by the T though. Bang. Lorna all in downs. Yeah. She said, look.
I'm all in.
All right, like that. Like,
I'm all in, motherfuckers. Come on. Come on, you motherfuckers. I'm all in.
Yes, Lorna. That's how you do it, Lorna. That's how you tell him. That's how you kill him. Look, sweetie. Love you, girl. See you, girl. Bang. Abundantly me. Look, love you, see you, brother. Bang. And say hello to the boy. Van Breeden. Yes. You know, we all love Van Breeden and his mom. All right, we're not going to do the Van Breeden today, though. Van Breeden. Love you, see you, brother. Bang. And Kitty Van Breeden. Bang. That's who keeps him company in the basement. Yes, brother. Love you, see you, brother. Bang. All right, Hodel IOTA. Love you, brother, see you, brother. Bang. Grunge Snubble. Love you, brother, see you, brother. Bang. Andrew Macheda. Love you, brother, see you, brother. Bang. Oop, what we got here? Allie White. Art, music, videos, creative, empath. Oh, she's all one of these spiritual girls. Empath. All right. Love you, lady. See you, lady. Bang. Robbie Hardaway. Love you, brother, see you, brother. Bang. Radster holding down the insurgency in Prague. Yes. The European insurgency. The European wing of our global enterprise. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. Yes. All right. Well, that's pretty much the usual band. Oh, there's my sister. Well, another sister, not the one you guys met when I yelled at you guys at the thing. This is my other sister. Actually, more ex-girlfriend / sister. Love you, Snips. See you, Snips. Love you, April. See you, April. Bang. Yeah, she's getting into it now. Mark Zielinski, dash address. All right. Love you, see you, brother. Bang. What? Oja. Olusegun. Abraham. Love you, see you, brother. Bang. Well, that's everybody. That's everyone. Then we got one more last bang from Grunstable. All right. Good enough. Let's head back to the Death Star, brothers and sisters. Bang. Yes. Welcome back. So, we had a great show for you today, as usual. All right. We had a good show for you today. So, actually, it's pretty quick. It's just under an hour. It was 5 stories. I was like, oh, man, this is going to be a long one. Nice. We're not too long. All right. So, the software AG to use IOTA. So, all right, my bad. I didn't read that thing. I didn't read it where it said 2020. I thought it was just, you know how sometimes articles say we're updating the article to represent blah, blah, blah. I thought it was just one of those sort of disclaimers on the article. Should have fucking read it. Actually, so this story was from 2020. So, software AG is already using the IOTA, so no big deal. So, bye, IOTA hodlers. And then Airdrop, Zilliqa is going to airdrop for Zilliqa Stakers. So, I know there's a bunch of you Zilliqa hodlers. It sounded only like one person is going to win money every day or something like that, though. Right? It didn't sound like an airdrop is in like everyone staking gets a piece. It sounded like they were going to like sort of do a draw, like a drawing, like some sort of lottery thing. But look, Zilliqa hodlers. Wouldn't hurt for you to stake your shit anyway. So just bye. There you go, guys. Ethereum was 80% of institutional inflows. And so, like I told you, the big caps, big caps, big caps. That's what we've been talking around here lately. I mean, have you seen Litecoin lately? Holy shit. Hold on. Let's even take a peek. Well, let me take a peek and I'll just tell you the numbers. Hold on. All right. Litecoin has been just on a blitz. Right? Right? It's at $227 right now. Oh, man. I remember when Litecoin was, like $10 or some shit. So, anyways, but the large caps, you can see your Bitcoin, your Litecoin, Ethereums have gone up massively. I mean, but and so have your small caps. So, I mean, the whole market is really just rising. Let's get real about it. But just that I mentioned the large caps in that the large caps, hold on, let's get back to the Death Star. Hold on. The large caps, well, you were at the Death Star. I was still over there. So the large caps, though, that's what, institutions are comfortable with. Like I said, here in America, licensed and regulated Bitcoin, and Ethereum, and Litecoin. Nothing else is yet. Oh, yeah, wait till Gary Gensler gets here. Wait till we get the big G, Gensler. That's what we're going to call him. The big G, big G. Wait till we get Big G up in there. Oh, yeah, Pitmaster G. Wait till we get him in there. He's going to get us the regs we need. He's going to show us the love we want, that we desire.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Because if not him, wow, you can just fucking forget about it. He taught blockchain at MIT, damn it. If not him, hey. Don't worry, though, because it will be him. It will be him. The Biden administration has put in some very, very crypto-friendly regulators. Gary Gensler is going to be head of the SEC. That one guy, the advisor for Ripple, is going to be the head of the OCC. Holy, I mean that's the twin killer right there. That's what we need. Crypto-friendly guys in those two agencies. That's perfect. That's all you need. One who controls the securities, and the other one controls the banksters. No, that's all we need. So beautiful thing. Oh, and so the Ethereum, though, the inflows. Right. We're talking about Ethereum. Yes, I got caught up in the joy. Of the regulators that the new administration gave us. Thank God. Trump just had a bunch of cock blockers. Jay Clayton. Sheesh. All right. So, but let's go back to Ethereum. So Ethereum was 80% of institutional inflows, and that institutions are now getting more comfortable with Ethereum, which makes sense because just like Bitcoin, Ethereum is regulated as a commodity here in America, right? No one owns, right? Bitcoin is a commodity. Yeah, because no one owns Bitcoin. It's not a company. It's just there. It's like water or air, just breathe it. It's there, right? And that's the same with Ethereum. No one owns it, right? It's not a company. It's just, right, just a bunch of guys, keeping it alive and upgrading it and all that. Enthusiasts, that's what they call it, right? Ethereum enthusiasts keeping it alive and stuff. And so they're getting more comfortable with that concept. Well, with Ethereum in general. Plus, let's get real. Ethereum's got the smart contracts, and everyone knows that smart contracts are going to be real big soon. And so, good reason to invest in Ethereum just in terms of what they're up to. All right, so hold on. I have a missed screen at my door. I'll be right back. Bang! All right, where were we here? All right, where are we at? Oh, with the Ethereum thing. So, yeah, Ethereum. So that's it, man. Yeah, a lot of institutions are starting to use Ethereum. Well, not use it, as in like, smart contracts, but they're, that's what I was getting at. Right. Smart contracts are going to be a thing. And so, Ethereum's are the smart contract masters. And so they're piling into Ethereum. Okay. And then Deutsche Bank gets into crypto custody trading. Wow. Bang. We've talked about it here. Since the OCC here in America said that our banksters, the American banksters, can now get into the crypto game, custodying and offering crypto services. We read about that one bank this week. They're letting you buy Bitcoin. What was the name of that bank? Right? They're letting you buy crypto right out of their ATMs, right? Virginia Bank. Oh, well, it's a bank from Virginia. I didn't write the name of the bank, but yeah, and that's the level. Right? Yeah, it's a frenzy now. The frenzy has begun. Is this the tsunami yet? No, it's not the tsunami yet. But as you can see, everyone's gearing up and getting ready, and we're gonna have it soon, right? It's gonna fucking hit us nicely soon, eventually, the pressure builds and eventually, boom, it bursts. And yeah, we're going to be in full, like I tell you around this channel, full .com bubble mode. Here, everyone's going to be piling in. Big institutions and everything are going to be piling in on their own behalf, buying their own crypto, buying their own Bitcoin, buying their own this and that and that. But then the banksters are going to be offering services to make it fucking damn easy for soccer mom and dad to buy this stuff. Of course, they want the fees, right? Every time soccer mom buys a Bitcoin, all right, the bank makes, I don't know, 2% or some shit, right? Whatever the fees are, right? And so, yeah, it's game on. We're just at the beginning still. But like I said, we didn't talk about bankster stuff here for what? 2.5 years. Not since until, and then the OCC said what they said, gave those regulations, and look at what we've been talking about banksters on the regular around these parts, right? At least once a week. And so, here's Deutsche Bank, and then I'm about to yap about the Morgan Stanley thing. And so, that's why I say it's time for you to, accumulate, because here come the banksters. And soon, like I said, the E-Trade trading platform is going to have Bitcoin on it, Ethereum on it, and then other stuff on it as time, progresses, which makes it easy for soccer mom and dad to buy. And they want to buy. Remember that. It's not like we're tricking them or something. They want in. Well, once they know about this space, they'll want in. Like I said, here in America, little suburbanites coming home from their worker bee jobs at night, yeah, they feed the kids, get them doing their homework, and then soccer moms and dads sit around on their laptops investing. It's normal here. They manage their portfolio nightly. It's standard. And, once the crypto thing starts on these trading platforms, oh my gosh, it's going to be game over. It's going to be game over, right? It's going to be a beautiful, 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 beautiful thing. All right, like I said, soccer mom and dad aren't going to put up with the shit that you and I put up with, fucking cutting and pasting and KYCing and ledger nanoing and all this. All that, lock. I'm going to do all that. Yeah, it just pops up, and all you do is just put in how much you want and press a button. All right. And it's in a safe, secured, regulated platform. You know, if you have TD Ameritrade, yeah, well, you could buy your crypto from TD. Yeah, that's never going to get hacked, right? You could buy Bitcoin on Binance. Yeah, next thing you know, Binance is hacked. Your Bitcoin's gone. Yeah, that's never going to happen on TD Ameritrade. And even if it did, which it wouldn't, but if it did, yeah, well, TD Ameritrade would just give it right back to you. No problem. Hi, you just call the 1-800 number. Hi, I had a Bitcoin on your platform. It's gone now. Oh, that was a new transferring? No. Oh, 1 second, sir. Beep, beep, beep. Oh, thank you. They give you your thing back, right? Your asset back. So this is it. This is the ease of use. This is the professionalization. Nice and professional. Like I said, the crap we put up with, people aren't going to do it. And so banks are going to make sure that the services are nice and easy, just like your regular bank account. Nice and easy. Just nice and easy, no problems. So, Deutsche Bank obviously is mega. All right, so fine, good for crypto. And then finally, Morgan Stanley is considering crypto. And so, again, it's, I guess, the same exact arguments I'm making. Not arguments, they're not arguments. It's reality what's happening. The same thing I'm telling you with the Deutsche Bank thing I just said. Same thing. Just offering good, reliable services. There's room for institutions, though, more, right? They said there is room for instance. And so, yeah, exactly. Oh, okay, so there we go. That's the way to say the Morgan Stanley thing. Sorry. Yeah, the Morgan Stanley thing is more for institutions first. I'm sure first. But they'll get to the down to the... Well, actually, I don't know if Morgan Stanley takes retail clients, do they? I'm not sure about that. I know Deutsche Bank does. I think Morgan Stanley is more of a... I think they're more of an industrial, bank. Anyways, though, which is fine. An institutional bank, a bank that banksters bank with, right? So you're a hedge fund, yeah, you bank with a thing like Morgan Stanley. You're a home office, you bank with something like Morgan Stanley. And so great, right? Again, we went over it, right? The OCC unleashed the banksters, and all the banksters are now getting involved before they get left behind, right? Like, you don't want to be left behind, yeah, obviously. You don't want to be the only bank not offering crypto services, right? That's a lot of money you're losing right there, That's a lot of potential profits right there you're losing. And so everyone's jumping on board, guys. I mean, it's very simple. There's I'm trying to think of something to say to you, but I mean, there's not much else to say. The banks have been unleashed, and the banksters are trying to go get their piece of this place. And so good for us, good for crypto, bye, good for the multiverse. So on that note, let's chill it and kill it. Let's get you back to your wives and lives and your weekend. So look, subscribe below, press the bell. Bye. You get an automatic notification when I do this show. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show in the multiverse. Look, my name's Shomari Clarke. Love talking money. Bye. Love talking crypto. Bye. This is the favorite time of my day, especially when you read shit like this. Look, so thank you for having me in your home. Have a great weekend, everybody. Enjoy those daggone gains, and I will see you on Tuesday for another fun, fact-filled day of cryptoness. So until then, subscribe here, press the bell. Watch that video there, greatest in the multiverse, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday. My name is Shomari Clarke, and look, I'm always on duty. Bye! Yes. Over and out.